So this one is what?
The healthy colon parasite cleanse, the healthy kidney, liver, gallbladder cleanse. You can use those two simultaneously.
And they're gonna make you go naturally, right?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
First meal. Some fruits. What it is. Day one. Hold up, fix the camera. You already know it's cardio time, right? I might just record me stretching because it's gonna be hard for me to record me running, but I'm gonna try to do a little something. But yeah, we out here. The sun is hot. I'm not gonna lie. I am not motivated, but I am motivated. Sun hot. But gotta get in day one. You can't fail on your first day. They try to get me, right? I'm about to get it in real quick though. I'm gonna stretch.
God, I thank the Lord, I'm a big believer. I'm so lucky, Lord, as I walk with me. I'm a God beat at this in by the river. No, I was born to do what you can't even see. Told him. I gotta thank the Lord, I'm a big believer. Only got the Lord, it's got nobody. Cause I'm a God beat at this in by the river. No, I was born to do what you can't even see. Told him.
None of that, not about your minds. But look, I had a great workout, y'all. I had a great workout, even though my day started off a little late. It's all good. I only got a little bit of clip. I didn't get much. I only got me running, really. I just had to make sure I get y'all that, because really, I don't like to be bothered when I'm working out. I'll be in the zone. But what I'm about to do now, I'm about to go to my herbal store. If it's damn time, we might be closed. It's 5:30. I don't know. I want to go get a detox, just clean my body out, get some herbs too, you know, some natural medicine. Might get some real medicine, not the stuff they sell in the pharmacy, the drugstore. Those are drugs. They tell you what it is. So I'm gonna go over there, get some sea moss for sure. A couple other different herbs, you know what I mean? I gotta make my own energy drink and all that, you know. But that's what we about to do right now. Feel good. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna be 100 with y'all. I was hurting. I was hurting after a mile, and I usually I could run a mile with 10 people on my back. I was hurting. So I don't know what it is. Did I eat bad this week? I did. I ate bad this week purposely because I knew I was about to go on this, which is not good. So I ate bad 2 weeks in a row. Explains 271. I went 261, 271. Literally in 1 week. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. So you see how easy it is to put on weight. That's why you guys gotta be careful. Easy it is to put on weight, and hard. It's very hard to get it off. I'm not really 271. I know that. That was just.
Fat Mark X man a push blocky lane. 2 duffel bag in a chunk it off away. You ever count money till the sleep is away. Dream me a count up cake. Wake up back put him on the pan scale. Never know a 1 gram $100 way. Ask Pablo I chop over my tell you that straight.
This one is what?
The healthy colon parasite cleanse, the healthy kidney, liver, gallbladder cleanse. You can use those two simultaneously.
And they're gonna make you go naturally, right?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, all herbs in here. So the wormwood and the black walnut, those are what help kills the parasite of worms. Aloe vera, the cascara sagrada is what help you cleanse your colon out. And then you have the 1-day detox. Make sure you go. You have to stay home with that one.
We gotta stay home.
Yep.
So I'm probably. So how long it goes though?
So it depends because
So am I the whole day or am I like 2 days straight?
No. So for some folks, they had 3-4 bowel movements within an hour or two. somebody took it from 9 a.m. They were still going at 9 p.m. So it varies.
Okay. The sea moss. See those good shakes. Time to go to the grocery store now, guys. Gotta pick up a few things just to cook today. That's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm not really going grocery shop. My wife does that, but since I was next door, I decided to go to the grocery store. You see, we have some good fish over here. You know, normally I would be eating some fish, but I'm not. I'm on a plant-based diet, but usually this is my area, you know. Got some live fish for y'all. Hungry?
So we throw this together.
All right, y'all, that's it. Grocery shopping is done. You know, I ain't done, but you know, it's enough for me to find something to eat today, right? So, you know, I'm eating different right now. I can't just eat anywhere. So I'm gonna go home and whip that up. Shouldn't take long, something simple. Spend like $18 in there. And watch how that $18 y'all gonna last. $18 gonna last. It's gonna last about at least 2 days. What I got in there really can last at least 2 days, minimum. Like I could cook today and eat tomorrow and possibly even the next day. Right? But that's what we up with that though. I ain't go fully grocery shopping because I haven't been to the real grocery, well, that's a real grocery store, but where I buy my fruits from, I don't buy my fruits just from anywhere, you know. So I gotta go buy my fruits and stuff like that. And yeah. But that's it, man. The next one gonna be at the crib, whipping it up. Chef Lando. Got some good pigeon peas from why I got that, because I don't feel like boiling any peas is gonna take too long. This one I'm about to cook right now. We got coconut milk in there, like that. Of course, got coconut milk. Good cabbage. Good avocado. In Jamaica we call it pear. Good okra. You know we love okra. Good ginger. You know the ginger, I put it on everything. If you're from Jamaica, good Scotch bonnet. Yeah, put the real flavor in the food. Yeah, man. Good cleanse, you know. This is for the colon and parasite cleanse, you know. This for the kidney, healthy kidney. You know how we gonna do it. My sea moss, my daily sea moss gel, you know. Take that every morning. On top? Yeah, we about to throw down though. That's all we got, right? That's all we got for you. Good coconut milk. Yes, sir. Don't judge me. Good can. Final product. Don't judge me. I tried to put it, make it look all fancy with the little cup thing. Yeah, that didn't come out right, but this is it right here, guys. quinoa with peas. I made like rice and peas, Jamaican style. Some steamed cabbage, Jamaican style, of course. You know, I know the chef. Book me. I'm available. I'm about to eat up though, I'm hungry. I just got a shower. All right, y'all. It was a good day. It was a good day, man. We had a good day today. Now, I was supposed to be dropping a video once a week, but I done recorded the whole day. This is enough to actually drop this video itself. So I'm actually gonna just drop it by itself. I'm gonna continue recording throughout the week. Y'all follow my journey with everything that's going on with me, my diet. Now, I ate some quinoa. Y'all can see the video. I ate some quinoa and some cabbage. Now, I am on a low carb, low sugar diet, and we know quinoa not super high in carbs, but it's up there. But it's high in protein, and we definitely need that protein. So, you know, I did that. Even then I had the pigeon peas. I add that in. That's good too, man. But you know, I have a certain amount of protein I want to take in a day. And I'm getting through the quinoa. I'm going to get through quinoa and lentil. I'm on low carb, low sugar diet, plant-based also. I love plant-based because I pretty much eat plant-based even when I'm not plant-based. Like, when I cook at least once a week, if I'm cooking, more than likely one of the dishes is going to be plant-based, even when I was just eating straight seafood. So yeah, it was a good day, man. Y'all see my dish though, man. I tried to make it fancy for you. I tried to put it in the cup, put it on the plate, but yeah, it fell apart. Yeah, didn't work, but it was a good day. Had a good workout. Did a little shopping. I didn't even fully go shopping yet because I still got to go buy my vegetables and fruits. What I bought today was more so for today. But I did buy some supplements. I bought my supplements, as you can see. One of the things that I bought was a detox. It's a 4-day detox, right? I take one in the morning, one in the evening. One is for like your colon and like clean parasites, and the other one is for like your kidney. So I have that. I'm taking the colon at night, and one for kidney in the morning. Also, I bought some sea moss. You know, I have sea moss is a regular part of my diet, anyways. But you know, sea moss is like, it's a magic medicine. So I got sea moss, you know. Where's I bought? That's all I can think of. But either way, man, there's more to this. So look out for that next video. It might be dropping tomorrow, whenever this video drops. Or it might be dropping today, you know. But follow my journey, man. Oh yeah, you know, this morning I said, dang, this morning, that was another video. The last video I said I weighed 271. Well, it's the same day. I hopped on the scale again and said 265. I don't know, I think it's because I had just drunk some water and I had ate heavy the night before. And it was late too. I don't usually eat late. Oh yeah, that's another thing I'm gonna have to do. I'm coming up with it. I'm not gonna eat after 9. No, I'm gonna say 8. I'm not gonna eat after 8. If I do take part of something after 8 during the week, you gotta be specific with that, during the week. It's gonna be more so of smoothie, maybe fruits, nothing heavy. Yeah, but I'm gonna say 8 o'clock. But that's it, man. I appreciate y'all for watching, boy. And I am the man. Boom.